What are high-protein meals, you might ask? According to nutritional facts, protein is an essential nutrient in the body. And if what I eat in a day isn't rich in protein, my body will be in big trouble. So, how much is enough protein? Research has shown that low intake of protein in our diet causes kwashiorkor. Wait, did you know that there are low-calories, high-volume meals that are rich in protein? Oh yeah! However, in order to benefit fully from this essential nutrient, dietitians advise that you take 30 grams of protein at each meal. In today's video, we'll be talking about 5 high-protein meals. Are you fed up with eating chicken breast and need something flavorful, interesting, and delicious? You definitely need to stick around and check out these high-protein meals. Number 1. Garlic shrimp with quinoa. Start your day on a delicious high-protein note with this meal. Trust me, this is one easy-to-make high-protein meal you can have for breakfast or dinner. And you know what? This recipe doesn't require a ton of cleanup. So, if you're in a hurry and want to save time, you can try making yourself a serving of garlic shrimp with quinoa. While quinoa ranks as one of the high-protein grains you can easily access and also being one of the foods in a plant-based diet for beginners, shrimp is your go-to lean protein source. Number 2. Protein mug cake. Are you a sweet tooth and a lover of high-protein snacks? This amazing cup of goodness is one high-protein snack you should try out. A serving of protein mug cake contains over 30 grams of protein. Not only can this protein diet serve as your dessert, but you can also make memories over your protein mug cakes. See a movie and create memories today over some protein mug cakes. Number 3. Black beans with corn salad. This recipe is one high-protein meal you shouldn't think twice before jumping into. If you're looking for how to go vegan, try adding this recipe to your vegan meal prep. And do you know the most interesting part of it all? This plant-based diet is a no-cook recipe. I mean, you don't have to heat up to reap the flavorful and health benefits. Wait, are you feeling hungry but you're so tired and lazy to turn on your oven? A bowl of black beans and corn salad is all you need to satisfy that hunger and still meet your required daily protein intake. Before we continue, start your health journey today by hitting the subscribe button and ringing the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload. Alfredo pizza. If you're a pizza lover, this is for you. All you need for this high-protein pizza recipe is your flaky biscuit dough, garnished with cheese, chicken, Alfredo sauce, and spinach. Heat in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes and you've gotten yourself a healthy protein-rich lunch. Number 5. Protein French toast. If you're working to build your muscles and bulk up fast, don't ignore this meal. Whatever your body goal is, what you eat and when you eat determines the result you'll get. That's why workout expert Elliot Burton advises you to place nutrition at the top tier of your workout goal. If you're a hard gainer, try taking this every morning and watch your body transform for good. Which of these high-protein foods is your favorite? Let us know in the comments section. We'd be glad to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the video, why not like, share, and subscribe to get more interesting videos like this one?